All right. Sorry, guys. I apologize ahead of time. I'm getting over being sick, so I can't hear great on my left ear. But anyway, I'm Kevin Lambert. I'm running for the Aransas County Court of Law Judge. First, a little bit about me. I own Rockport Abstract and Title. In town, it's a business that's been here a long time. There's a lot of history there. It's something that my wife and I have bought, bolstered, strengthened, and trying to preserve everything the best we can with all the historical records and everything. I also, when we moved here, I opened the law office of Kevin Lambert, and the primary reason for opening a law firm here was to be able to serve the community and provide legal services to people who can't always reach them. My law practice got so busy in the last year that I also co-founded Lambert Ross so that we could expand our reach and help even more clientele. You'll see Keely and I, we're out in this community all the time. We go to local events, we sponsor causes that we believe in, and we serve anywhere where we're needed. I currently serve on the Aransas County Appraisal District Board of Directors. I also serve on the Executive Committee for the Chamber of Commerce Board of Directors. But we don't just, we're raising our 3 young kids here as well. We're working on building a future here in Rockport. We deeply care about this community, and we're trying to do everything we can to make it the best community possible. I'm running here because I've seen what happens when courts don't work the way that they should. Bad judges harm families and hurt businesses, and they erode trust in our justice system. And I don't want to see that happen here. This county deserves a judge who will work hard, apply the law fairly, and treat every person who walks through the courtroom with equal respect, regardless of who they are or who they know. I believe that being a judge is not about being a specialist in any one area of law. It's about being able to learn the law, specifically apply it, understand it and apply it without bias, and make sound decisions based on facts. It's not about having, it's all about having the right temperament to stay true to the law and not give in to one's personal feelings. Not only do I have the right temperament for this job, but I'm also experienced. As a general practice attorney in our small town, I regularly practice in many areas that this court of law has jurisdiction over. And we do our best to meet with clients and that need legal help and provide as many free legal services as possible as our work allows. I'll also work to make sure that this court is accessible and efficient. More and more people are representing themselves than ever before, and when the court is confusing, everyone suffers, and I'll work to make those processes clear and provide better resources so that people can navigate the system and get their day in court. Most importantly, I'll be fair. That's what Aransas County deserves, and that's what I'll deliver. Aransas County was built on conservative values of faith, family, personal responsibility, and the respect for the rule of law. Keely and I are raising our kids with those values, and I've built my businesses on them, and that's what I'll bring to the bench every single day. Kevin Lambert, I would ask for your vote for Court of Law.
Thank you. Next, we have County Court at Law candidate Jill Williams.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Jill Williams, and I'm running for Aransas County Court at Law Judge. I am a Christian with strong conservative values. I'm a wife and a mother and a grandmother. I've lived in Rockport for 10 years. My husband Johnny and I own a home here in Rockport, and all of our children graduated from Rockport Fulton High School. Faith and family are my purpose, and that's what drives me. Some of my kids are back here at my table tonight. My children, my boys met their wives here in Rockport, so we've been able to grow our family here in Rockport, and I now have a precious 8-month-old granddaughter. I have had a very successful legal career, 32 years of practicing law in the same areas of law that fall under the jurisdiction of this court. Much of my career has been in public service. I began my career as a prosecutor. In the county attorney's office, I prosecuted misdemeanor criminal cases, juvenile cases, mental commitments, protective orders, and I also served as the attorney for CPS in child support services litigation through the county attorney's office. I've been an assistant attorney general, both under Greg Abbott and Ken Paxton, where I furthered my family law expertise through the attorney general's office. I've been a municipal court judge, and I am currently a certified family law mediator. I have extensive courtroom and trial experience, including jury trial experience and appellate experience. I was an appellate attorney in the district attorney's office where I wrote appeals for the state. But what led me to feel a responsibility to run for this position is I have a passion for what I do here. I practice law here for 10 years. I represent families in family law cases, and it's where my heart's calling is with the children of this community. And I represent children in CPS cases here in our Aransas County Court of Law for the past 5 years. I also serve as an amicus attorney in our county court of law. And my role as an amicus attorney is to assist the court in making a determination as to what's in the best interest of a child in those family law cases that are filed in this court. So it is not only my legal experience and expertise that I can bring to this position, but it's also my life experiences, the things that I've experienced in my life that have shaped me into the person I am today, the emotional maturity that comes with those life experiences. I believe that all of those things together have prepared me for this position. I believe that I am well prepared to be your next Aransas County Court at Law judge, and I will serve this community with integrity, humility, and compassion. And I will treat everyone who walks through the doors of this courtroom with dignity and respect. Thank you so much.